Say didn't mean to hit my phone. You want attention, don't wanna be alone. You never were a good liar, so why the hell would you try to pull the wool over my eyes like I'm dumb? You're acting true. Don't be so rude. Don't got nothing left to say. Now I'm running far away from you.
Hey everyone, before we move on, I would like to thank Unacademy for sponsoring this video. Unacademy is up with a special offer for one day, that is 10 December 2021. If you purchase subscription of any course of 1 year or above, then you will be getting free subscription for 6 months. This offer is valid only for one day. You can use my code PHILO15 to get this offer. Unacademy is also starting their Junoon batch for Neet 2022 and 2023, which is going to start on 10 December 2021. Unacademy is going to conduct full-length mock tests on 12 December 2021 for Neet UG 2022 aspirants. You can use my code PHILO15 to enroll for free. You can win exciting scholarships and prizes by cracking this Unacademy All India Test Series for Neet UG 2022, which is going to start on 12 December at 2 p.m. Here are the rewards which you can win according to your rank. Also, rank 1 to 10 will be getting a 100% scholarship. Rank 11 to 50 a 50% scholarship. 51 to 2000 a 15% scholarship. Unacademy is going to conduct 10 free full-length mock tests which are especially curated for Neet UG 2022 aspirants. Here are the features of these mock tests. There will be full-length topic-wise tests as per Neet UG curriculum. You will be provided complete performance report with topic-wise analytics. Top ranks will also get rewards and scholarships. There will also be a competitive analysis against Neet UG aspirants across India.
Today and crawl tomorrow. Winked at me and drained the bottle. Lipstick's cold, the bus stops freezing. We started walking for no reason. The weather didn't call for rain tonight. Nothing's gone, it's not forgotten. You say this doesn't happen often, but I can tell that something's on your mind. Keep me twisted round. 2 a.m. say you didn't mean to hit my phone. You want attention, don't wanna be alone. You never were a good liar, so why the hell would you try to pull the wool over my eyes like I'm dumb?